Today I have a Sharp TV and this TV Aquas, and this TV problem is that video blank. Here is no display on the screen, and you can see here is a light is glowing, backlight is enabled, but display is not working. Today I'll show how to fix this type of problem and video blank problem and without changing the display. Okay, let's start. You can see this, and display backlight is glowing and display backlight is shining, but no display. First of all, I need to check this circuit and here is any short circuit or not, and you just hold this positive lead in the ground position and negative lead with the capacitor both side, and when you touch the ground pin and it will be show the continuity, and here is you can see and is showing the short, but this one is okay. That means this capacitor is okay. Here is also, and this is the shortcut way to finding the short circuit. Here is no short circuit, no short, no short, and no short circuit. Okay, and this one is, there is no short circuit. Okay, and this one is our input voltage, and here should be present 12 volt. Let's check it, and here is a no voltage present. Okay, this pin, here is a no voltage present, and here should be present 12 volt. Let's check this, where is it come from. This voltage comes from the motherboard. Let's check it. This voltage comes from this here. You can see here is the input voltage is 12 volt showing, and this one is the output pin, but here is no voltage is present. Let's see this voltage pin, and here is also no voltage present, and this should be present some voltage but not, and this one is 12 volt, and this voltage will work for the display, but this voltage is not passing from the MOSFET, and here is a no voltage, and here is a 12 voltage is present, and here is one NPN transistor also, and this NPN transistor work for this PNP transistor, and let's check this base voltage is present or not. Yes, here is a 3 voltage is present, and here is a 3 voltage is present, base voltage, and but this transistor is not working. Okay, here is no voltage, collector voltage is not working, and but emitter voltage is present here. You can see here is a 12 volt is present, but collector is no voltage, and we know that formula, and PNP transistor always input voltage is emitter and output voltage is collector, and NPN transistor input voltage is collector and output voltage is emitter, and that is opposite, and a PNP transistor work through the negative pulse, and NPN transistor always work through the positive pulse, and here is one NPN transistor also they use, and this one is the NPN transistor, and you can see here is NPN transistor base voltage is present 3.23 voltage, but here is a no collector voltage, and maybe this MOSFET is not working as well as good. I will change this MOSFET, and after that I will show what happened. Okay, let's change this. This one is our good transistor, and this one is our damaged transistor. I will change this, and let's check this. Let's see what happened. Now setting the transistor, and let's check it, and this pin, yes, here is the 11 point something voltage is present, can see here. Okay, this is okay, and let's check is the problem. And let's check this voltage here. Here is also voltage present. Okay viewers, let's check it the display. Give the power and let's check it. Yeah, our television is okay, and you can see the display, and display is working. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.